proper filter size for your house is based on a number of factors. A, the BTUs of the equipment, because the BTUs is then converted to CFM, cubic feet per minute. How much airflow we got to move through the system to make it maintain its efficiency from the manufacturer specs. Okay, when we have to pull air through a filter, if the filter's a nice size, let's have an average number of 25 by 20, okay, that's an average nice size filter for a house. But if you go to like the box store and you wind up with a pleated filter and it says, oh, this will move more particles out of the air, what happens is the filter becomes too dense. Okay, so that causes the motor having a hard time pulling the airflow through it. So now your electrical efficiency is now dropping on the motor's running hotter. Okay, your airflow is reduced. So then again, you're turning the system that was designed correctly and you're changing the parameters because you come up with a better idea with a filter. There's a lot of electrostatic filters you'll see out there on the internet. Bad filter, they'll probably curse me for saying it, but it restricts the airflow almost 15% brand new clean before you even cleaned it the first time. And after you clean those cleanable filters, they're never as clean as they are when they were new, so therefore you have more of a restriction of airflow. So to maintain your efficiency after you have a properly designed system is you got to maintain the filter that we recommend. Then we have media filters, but if I were to stretch out a media filter in front of you, it'll be 12 foot long. So having the surface area is the key element when you have a more dense of an air filter.